journey to understanding the divine words of the Quran is a transformative one, opening doors to spiritual enlightenment and a deeper connection with the Creator. It's more than just reading. It's about understanding, reflecting, and implementing the teachings in our lives. Our leading online Quran Learning Institute offers an excellent opportunity to learn the Quran and Tajweed. You can register online and choose from a variety of courses including Basic Quran Foundation, Quran Reading, Basic and Advanced Tajweed courses, Quran Memorization. We also provide Tafsir-ul-Quran, which includes Quran translation and Islamic studies for children. Our award-winning teachers are selected for their expertise in teaching Quran recitation with Tajweed. We are an international Quran learning institute providing 24-hour online classes catering to your convenience. We have tutors who speak various languages, both male and female, allowing you to choose your preferred tutor and class timings. So why wait? Register yourself and your children today and learn to read the Quran with basic rules of Tajweed. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 00923 158685750. Join us in this journey towards understanding, appreciating and implementing the teachings of the Quran in our lives. Remember, the journey of a lifetime begins with a single step. Take that step today. We are available 24/7 to guide you.